So hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be exploring the Titanic dataset, which contain information about the passengers aboard the Titanic, including their demographics, ticket, class, fare, and survival status. So we will pre-process the data to clean before it is analysis, visualize its feature to gain insights, and train the machine learning models to predict the survival on Titanic based on passengers' information. So let's dive in. To start, we import the survival essential libraries for data analysis and machine learning. We use pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical operation, Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization, and Skitlearn for a building machine learning model. These libraries provide us with tool and function needed to perform various tasks throughout our analysis. So now let's load and pre-process the Titanic dataset to prepare it for data analysis. We start by reading the dataset into a pandas data frame. Then we remove unnecessary columns such as the passenger grid, name, ticket and cabin to focus on relevant feature. Next we handle missing values by filling the median age for missing age and the most common port of the embarcations for the missing embarked values. Finally, we encode categorical variables like sex and embarked using one-hot encoding to convert them into a numerical format for our machine learning model. So the next, with our data pre-proceed, let's move on the visualizing our data set to gain insights into its distribution and the relationship between the feature. We start by the plotting a histogram of the age feature to understand the age distribution of a passengers. Then we create a correlation matrix heat map to visualize the relationship between the different features and identify any patterns or the correlation that may exist in the data. So finally, it's time to train and evaluate our machine learning models. We start by splitting our data set into the training and testing sets using 80 to 20 speeds. Then we scalar our feature using a standard scalar to standardize the range of our data set, which can improve the performance of our machine learning model. Next, we initialize a random forest classifier, train the model on our training data, make a prediction. Then we have to evaluate the model performance by using the metrics such as accuracy, score and the confusion matrix for performing the identify and areas for the improvement, as you can see the screen. Then after we have to conclude it or detail for that project of a video, as you can see on the screen clearly. Okay, the predictive of survival based on passenger information, we are covered data loading, pre-processing and visualization and model training in a depth. So as you can see clearly the output, the first of is that is we have to conclude the distribution of age by using this graph. Similarly, we have to conclude the correlation matrix by using such type of the graph, and the accuracy as you can see here that is 82.12%. Okay, and the next thing is that is a confusion matrix as you can see, and their clarity will be given for the accuracy of such type of the project, and we have to clearly shown here by using this graph. The accuracy is 82.12%. So thank you for watching.